Well, hello there friends, this is Mansi signing in from diekitsandmore.com. Today I am gonna share with you this new die by Decam, which is known as the gift bag die. This is a very pretty die and it makes a very pretty gift bag. While this is compatible only with the bigger Big Shot machine or any die cut machine which are A4 size at least. This die is this is how it comes in a packaging. It is provided with the punch holes and the page protectors for the holes, and this is how it looks. It is compatible only with the bigger Big Shot machine or Gemini or the eBosser, any machine which is A4 size. And the gift bag which is made out of this die is very good size. This is what I have created, and it is a very pretty gift bag. It is quite a versatile size. As you can see, this is approximately 4.5 inches wide, and the length without the handles is 6¼ inch, while with the handles it is 7/4 to 8 inches approximately. And look at the depth. Look at the depth of the gift bag. Can you see inside? It is a very good size. This is my tacky glue bottle, which is 4-ounce bottle, and it goes completely inside. So, and I think I can add 2 more to this. I have room for 2 more bottles. See here. I can easily add so much to this, and still I can hold. So this is a very good size of the bag, and it is very good if you want to gift something to, like Rakhi is coming, the Raksha Bandhan festival. You can easily give your gifts in the bag. It looks so cute. Here is another example of the bag which we have done. And these I will be showing you how I created these handles of the bag. And this is another one which I have created. This is again a Decam die, Celebrate Word with the shadow. These flowers are also made out of Decam dies, which are the hydrangea dies, and this is the flowers 2 die. And lots of fillers and everything is also used from Decam dies only. So I'll show you how to create a bag out of these dies. So now what you will need is, you will need 2 pieces of this die cuts, which is been cut out from the die, and I have used this Decam dome die, which is to create the handles, and they will look something like this. I have created a frame out of the die. I have attached 2 dies and I have skipped 1 size in between, and this is how it will look when you cut it out of a die cut machine. And I have doubled the paper for some extra strength. So let's assemble this. First I'll need my bone folder to score all the lines. Hope you enjoyed the video. Keep watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.